guys, welcome to my channel. Excuse the hair, I just got home from work. And we went to the grocery and we went to Walgreens. And my husband got this for me. Because he knows I love Jack. It's so cute. Oh my god, my squirrel is waiting for me. He's looking at me outside the window. Anyway, I'll be back. I'm just gonna feed my squirrel, okay? It's looking at me. I'm gonna be back. She's over there at the tree. Sitting over there. I don't know if you could see it. It was over there earlier at the roof. I just gave it peanuts. Okay, I just gave it food. That's my pet. There's probably 2 to 3 of them. Every day they look for me. Anyway, finally my Sephora order arrived. And I'm gonna unbox it and then later I'm just gonna rest because I just got home and I'm gonna do makeup. I swear I'm gonna do makeup, I promise. Because I cannot wait to try all of this. I only order a few items from Sephora. I have a sample of Fenty perfume and body serum. I don't remember ordering that. Maybe they ran out of it. And I have a free retinol youth serum from youth to the people, I think. It's a sample. And I ordered these 2 Big Ego Tarte brow pomade. I ordered one in dark warm brown and medium cool brown. So we're gonna test that out. And I ordered this Star Wars palette by Pat McGrath. I didn't order a lot from Sephora. I only ordered a few. And that's how it looks like. You know what? Those shades are already common on the other one I have. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I'll be back. I have 2 of this, by the way. See? Those are the color. I think those golds over here and the browns here are the same as the Star Wars. I think so. What do you think? See? They just... Yeah. Except this shade. This is the only shade that I don't have. But it's also close to this one, see? Only a little darker. But that brown here is the same as that one over there. This one. Oh well. We'll try. And I'm gonna swatch it when I do the makeup. Later. And also, I never have anything from this brand. The Rose Ink. I ordered a Soft Light Skin Smoothing Liquid Foundation in the shade 18W Medium Deep Warm. Oh my god, medium deep. Oh no. I hope it's not too dark. Do you think it's... I think... Well, I have lighter shades anyway, so we're gonna test this out. I cannot wait to test this out. Hopefully it's my shade. And that's all my haul from Sephora. That's all I've been waiting for because I'm gonna do full face using all the makeup that I haven't tried. And my son's girlfriend gifted me this for Christmas. It got a eyeshadow, concealer, face product, and blush. So I'm gonna try these 2. So I'm just gonna rest a bit and then I'm gonna see you later. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm gonna include the makeup video with this video. So I'm just gonna upload it once. Bye! Hi guys, I'm using the rose ink I got from Sephora. It's a little dark, but as I blend it, it's not that bad since it has no coverage, but it's really, really dark. Imagine if that one oxidized. But it's okay since it had a sheer coverage. I can match it with my lighter foundation or adjust it with my lighter concealer. So I just got that today from the mirror. And I still have another foundation to try. See, it's really dark, but it's not bad compared to the other darker foundation. Since the finish is really, really nice. It's okay. Now I'm gonna use that. I put sanitizer first, and then I'm gonna use that concealer from the Dollar Tree. I like that concealer. It doesn't crease on me, although it's too light, and it's not too matte. And I'm gonna put CoverGirl Olay concealer. Because the one from Dollar Tree is a little sticky, so I use a little creamier concealer. And of course, my favorite Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. I really, really love that. So I'm just dabbing it all over my face and dusting it off with my brush. This is my voice because I have allergy. If you hear any ventilation from the fan, it's because my son is taking a bath and my husband is cooking. Anyway, I used the Tarte brow pomade. It's my first time using that. I just got that in the mail today, and I'm using the shade dark brown. For dark brown, it's not bad because I'm using it very light-handed. But I still prefer the brow pomade from Anastasia. It's not bad, but you know, I don't know. It's my first time using it. I think I still need to play with it more to really give you my opinion about it. Because first of all, I'm not going anywhere, so I won't be able to test the longevity of that one. Looking at it for dark brown, it's really nice. But I noticed that when I open the cover, there's no cover, so there's more tendency to for it to dry. And then I'm using that Dollar Tree brow powder from Ioni, because the one from Wet n Wild is a little dark. So excuse my hair. I just woke up and I just put it up. Like I said, I told you, I promised you earlier, I'm gonna do a makeup look. I'm just cleaning the brow powder because some of the brown went to my white shadow, and I'm gonna use that white eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. It's my first time using that, and I'm really surprised. It's really nice and pigmented. I like the finish of it. I'm gonna use my Tarte Glamazon and the big palette one. Just that one. I forgot the name. I think it's Tortillet. I'm not sure. I'm using that brown shade right there. Oh my god, my hair looks so bad. I don't have bald spot, okay? That's just like bad hairstyle. It's very pigmented, even though I only put a tiny bit. Because that's how I do it. I just put tiny bit first and I build it up. And then I'm gonna use that Glamazon. The green one is broken, but so I wanna try if it's working. That's the only part that's shattered. So I'm putting it in the outer and inner corner only. I'm not even putting it on the crease. I just want to leave the crease bare. Oh my god, I hate doing voiceover. Makes me yawn. But I couldn't talk earlier because my husband and my son was in the kitchen and talking while they're cooking steak. So yeah. And then I use that dark brown to darken it even more. Just a tiny bit. Because I just like the effect. I was inspired by the makeup of Robert Welsh in one of his video. I think he did a tutorial on that. So I was inspired by that. But he didn't use the green. He only used brown and black. And gray and silver. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that metallic, it's like silver shade. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's like a taupey silver. There's another one silver next to it, but this one have a like a golden silver combination, like so metallic. And I really love it. And then I add a tiny bit of black eyeshadow just to darken it even more. And then I use that light gold. It's not really gold, it's like a white gold. And it's really nice for inner corner. It's really pigmented. I was so shocked. And the texture too is very nice. So I'm just putting it on my inner part of my eye. And then I'm gonna yawn. I think I'm gonna put my Almay eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Yeah. Oh my god, my eyes is burning from the smoke because my husband is cooking steak. There's so smoky in the house today. And then I think I'm gonna curl my lash, use my CoverGirl mascara. Oh, I put the lipstick first. That's Profusion, by the way. That's a very very beautiful shade. It's my first time using it. I just grabbed it because I saw it. Plus, that shade looks good with the green eyeshadow. See, it's just Forbidden Love. I'm not sure if that's the shade. I think I'm using the bronzer from the Balm. You know, this makeup is good when you want to go to a dinner. Just want to look glam, not too strong. I'm planning to do the mocha mousse, I think. Mousse something. Because that's the color of the year. So probably tomorrow I'm gonna do that. Because I'm still off tomorrow and I have so many products to play with. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and use my cover girl. Because I woke up late earlier, so I don't have sunlight anymore. That's why I use my ring light. I really don't like it because you can barely see the makeup. So tomorrow I'm gonna do a makeup using daylight. I really prefer that. That one is so big, sometimes it poke my eye. But the finish of the mascara is really nice, in my opinion. And that's how it looks like. Thank you for watching. Peace out.